So this is an update on a previous video I have done for one of the best sport bands you can get for the Apple Watch. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So if you are a keen viewer of this channel, you will notice that I wear an Apple Watch, more specifically an Apple Watch Ultra. As I'm sure that you will have noticed, I frequently rock a number of bands, but they are typically always the same make of band, and they would be the Nomad sport band. So this is an updated video because I can't say enough good things about the sport band from Nomad, and I have a plethora of colors for the sport band here, and I just feel that it needs an updated video. So let's check some of these out. So as you can see here today, I am wearing the black version of the sport band. So these are all the same type of band. These are the silicone bands from Nomad, and these are the versions that will fit the 44mm, 45mm, and the 49mm Apple Watch Ultra. So if you have either of those size of watches, be it from the series, from the very first series all the way to the Apple Watch Ultra, if you have the bigger face version of the watch, this band will fit, no problems whatsoever. As we can see here, I am wearing the black version, and yeah, sleek. Now I always find the fit is perfect on these bands, and it just feels comfortable, it feels grippy, and it feels premium as well. So if you're like me, like I very seldom, I only take my Apple Watch off to charge it. I literally, into the shower, everything, I don't take my Apple Watch off. These silicone bands are fantastic, and it's the little details on them which I really like. So we have this sort of rugged, grippy design for the inside of your wrist, and we've got loads of options here for loopholes. We have our little metal clasp here. We have our Nomad branding on the clasp as well, which is a really nice feature. It's a good touch. These are really well made. They're really premium, and they're approximately around the same price as the Apple Sport silicone bands. And if I am being 100% honest, these are much better. These really are. For me personally, these just tick the box for fitment, for colors, for style, for comfort. They are 100%. So as you can see here, recently I have acquired the latest editions from Nomad. I do have the entire collection here, bar one. I'm missing the marine blue, and it's the one that keeps evading me, and that is the last one I need to complete my collection of sport bands. But here we have my Lunar Grey, which I wore frequently on the channel, which is one of my favorites. There is the Dune, or as my American friends would say, Dune. It's like a sandy color. It's a bit different. Next then we have the ash green, which is very nice as well. We have one of my all-time favorites, the ultra orange, which as you can see is it's a little bit used because it is frequently used. And then another one of my favorites, the high Volta, and again I just love bright colors. My most recent addition then is the electric blue, and there we are. There is my collection of Nomad sport bands, along with the black as well. Let's do a little showcase, will we? So as you've seen, there's the black and Lunar Grey, which is one of my all-time favorites. Love it. And the Dune. Now that is actually a very nice band. It's quite underrated, and because of the color of the titanium, I think it goes really well with the Apple Watch Ultra. It's different. And then there's the ash green, for those people that like those dark greens, that sort of army-like green. It's a really nice band. Really nice. And ultra orange. So ultra orange is one of my favorites, simply because with the orange buttons and details on the Apple Watch Ultra, I just love the orange version. It's one of my all-time favorites. And the high Volta, that bright yellow, again another fantastic color from Nomad. and it's really, really good. I mean, if you're rocking an Apple Watch Ultra and you're, say, on a building site or something and you're wearing high vis colors, man, these bands like just blend in so well. And lastly, the electric blue. So that is the most recent addition that Nomad have dropped, and again, it's another fantastic color. It's nice, it's bright, and it doesn't look out of place on the Apple Watch Ultra. And I do love it. I love all these bright colors, and let's hope Nomad come out with some more. What's your favorite color of all these bands from the guys at Nomad? Let me know in the comments down below. Personally, for me, I love them all, and I would love to see some more extra colors added to that lineup. I would love to see a real bright red. I'd love to see just a plain white. I think that would be really, really cool. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, if you're interested in picking up any of these bands, I will leave you links in the description down below to Nomad's website if you're wanting to pick any of these bands up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up any of these bands using one of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So that's my updated video for the sport band from Nomad for the Apple Watch. I hope you liked it, guys. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel, guys. I've got more tech reviews and accessories coming, so keep it locked to the channel if that's your cup of tea. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.